Attention all aspiring drivers and those passionate about serving the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, ITBP. We have some exciting news for you. The ITBP Constable, Driver, Admit Card for the 2025 exam is officially out, and it's time to get your hands on this crucial document. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least, where some might find it a bit tricky. The ITBP has released the Admit Card for the Constable, Driver, exam, scheduled for November/December 2025. Candidates who have applied for this role can now download their hall tickets from the official website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. This is a critical step towards securing your place in the exam and, potentially, a career with the ITBP. The journey to becoming an ITBP Constable, Driver. The ITBP Constable, Driver, recruitment process is a multi-stage journey. First, you'll need to pass the Physical Efficiency Test, PET, and Physical Standard Test, PST. Then, it's on to the written examination, followed by document verification, a driving test, and finally, a medical examination. Each step is crucial, and the Admit Card is your ticket to participating in these stages. How to download your Admit Card? To download your ITBP Constable, Driver, Admit Card, follow these simple steps. Visit the official ITBP website, recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Navigate to the Admit Card section on the homepage. Look for the ITBP Constable, Driver, Admit Card 2025 link and click on it. Enter your registration number, date of birth, and the CAPTCHA code. Click Submit to download your Admit Card. Save the Admit Card and take a printout for future reference. And there you have it. Your Admit Card is now in your possession, and you're one step closer to your dream career. A word of caution. While the process may seem straightforward, it's essential to pay attention to the details. Ensure you have the correct registration number and date of birth, as these are critical for accessing your Admit Card. Also, keep an eye on the official website for any updates or changes to the exam schedule or venue. Final thoughts. The ITBP Constable, Driver, recruitment is a competitive process, and having your Admit Card is a significant milestone. It's time to prepare for the exam and showcase your skills and knowledge. Remember, this is your opportunity to make a difference and serve your country. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? We wish you all the best for your exam and future endeavors with the ITBP. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.